अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू फ्यूजन फूड। दिस इज़ योर शेफ साद बट। उम्मीद करता आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे ना। आप लोग देख रहे होंगे आज हम वारी में हैं और बड़ी बेहतरीन सी अब हमारी जो है ना नेक्स्ट वीक जो स्टार्ट हो चुका है चाइनीज़ का। एंड हमारे साथ होंगे बड़े ऑथेंटिक शेफ्स भी होंगे। आपको हम प्रॉपर तरीके से केटर भी करेंगे किस तरीके से चाइनीज़ खाना बनाया जाता है। एंड एज यू कैन सी हम चाइनीज़ यहाँ पर चाइना समझे के प्रॉपर तरीके से सारी रेसिपीज़ को मेक श्योर करेंगे। जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी हैं वो भी आपको पता चले एंड शेफ्स की स्पेशल जो टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स हैं वो भी आपको सिखाएंगे। एंड हम लोग यहाँ पर है चाइनीज़ डेस्टिनी में। एंड यहाँ के जो यंग शेफ़ हैं हमारे बेहतरीन एंड उनको एक काम करते हैं बुला लेते हैं, उनसे चिट भी करें किस तरीके से चाइनीज़ खाना ऑथेंटिक बनता है ताकि आप लोग ईजिली हैसल फ्री होकर घर पे भी बना लेते हैं। विद फर्दर डू आई वुड लाइक टू इन्वाइट द यंग शेफ़ एंड ही इज़ एक्चुअली यंग, रियली यंग। तो बुला लेते हैं शेफ़ यंग।
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very fine. Thank you.
So you're going to teach us how to make, what's the first recipe today?
Today I'm going to show that traditional authentic Chinese food, the salt and pepper prawns.
Perfect. Is there any history about the recipe, where it's from?
This recipe is belongs from the Sichuan cuisine. So this is very traditional and typical the Sichuan cuisine.
All right, and all the things are mise en place here.
Exactly.
And, yeah, just
Yes. First we have
Let's
to
start, yeah.
chop the bell peppers.
okay. सबसे पहले बेल पेपर्स ऑब्वियसली इनकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर हैं एंड 2 से 3 चीज़ें वैसे इनकी सीक्रेट वो भी हैं जो बैटर स्पेशली जो चाइनीज़ का होता है जो फुल क्रिस्पी होता है। सो लेट्स सी कि इनसे सीक्रेट पूछते हैं क्या क्या चीज़ें उसके अंदर इंक्लूड की हुई इन्होंने। Alright, you just dice the bell pepper, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, you just gonna chop all the vegetables first?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Chef, for how long have you been working here?
Actually, I have been working here around 2.5 years.
2.5 years?
Yes.
Alright, and how is the experience going so far?
You know, Pakistan, I love Pakistan. And also Pakistan, China, like the best friend.
Yeah.
So,
Brothers.
exactly.
So what do you like the most here?
Most,
Yeah.
actually, that Pakistani populations, they are very kind, they are very helpful. Whatever I need, they will support me a lot.
All right. So chilies,
Yes,
bell pepper, onions,
yes, and also the yellow one.
yellow bell pepper. काफ़ी assorted करके bell peppers हैं और बड़ा precisely proper dice में काट रहे हैं. And I can see prawns here, breadcrumbs, and the batter as well. Are you going to tell us how to make the batter as well?
The batter is made out of that wheat flour, water, and also the baking powder. That's it.
That's it? Are you sure?
I'm sure. This is the prawns. This is cleaned prawns.
Okay.
Yes. First, we have to marinate it by the white pepper
All right. White pepper.
and the chicken powder and a little bit of salt.
Okay. How many prawns though?
This one is 8 pieces.
8 pieces. Okay.
Then cover it a little batter.
The secret batter that you've made already.
Now we can dust the breadcrumb.
Do you want me to turn on the flame?
Yes, now we have to open it.
Okay. Chef, what's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish actually is natural taste, the Cantonese.
Okay.
Cantonese dish, that is my favorite.
All right. So, like at midnight, if you're hungry, what would you eat?
Midnight, no. Midnight,
no.
I skipped the dinner.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, Chinese people they don't eat too much in the evening.
All right. So now you basically added a little bit of butter,
Yes.
white pepper, chicken powder, and breadcrumbs. That's it. 8 pieces of shrimps थे, उसको अच्छे तरीके से उन्होंने प्रॉपर वेन निकाल लिया हुआ है, शेल निकाल लिया प्रॉपर तरीके से साफ़ करके उसको स्लिट कर दिया हाफ ताकि प्रॉपर तरीके से बटरफ्लाई बन जाए. All right. You're actually pressing it as well to make it like.
They press it.
Oh,
then,
all right.
then fry to crispy easily.
Nice. And for how long do we have to fry this?
Almost 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
Yes.
All right. And we're gonna make it with the sauce as well, right?
Exactly. No, this one is not sauce. This one is dry dish. Yes, this dish is, it is crispy.
Because we Pakistani people like a lot of spices, you know, and a lot of gravies with it.
Actually, this is a starter. This
Okay.
is as a starter. It's not a
As a
main
starter.
course. This.
All right.
It's not a main course. Yes.
All right. So now we're just gonna deep fry it.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Very easy recipe.
Yes, easy one. you can prepare this dish.
We can actually make this and freeze it as well for later use, no? Or
No,
just
no,
make
no.
it very fresh.
Fresh.
All right.
Must be fresh.
All right. All right. So जब तक शेफ यांग अच्छे तरीके से इसको ब्रेड क्रम्स लगाते हैं, प्रॉपर तरीके से कोट कर लेते हैं, हम लोग जाते हैं छोटी ब्रेक लेके जल्दी वापस आएंगे.
सॉल्ट एंड पेपर प्रॉन्स अज्जा. टाइगर प्रॉन्स साफ छिले 8 अदद. तेल तलने के लिए 2 लीटर. मैदा 10 ग्राम. पानी बैटर बनाने के लिए. ब्रेड क्रम्स 50 ग्राम. क्रैक सॉल्ट 3 ग्राम. मक्खन 5 ग्राम. हरी मिर्च चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम. पीली शिमला मिर्च चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम. प्याज चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम. लाल शिमला मिर्च चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम. लहसुन चॉप 25 ग्राम. नमक मैरिनेशन के लिए. सफ़ेद मिर्च मैरिनेशन के लिए.
Welcome back. Now we are going to make the salt and pepper prawns. Now these prawns we dusted the breadcrumb already. Now we get to fry.
All right. You've actually pressed it really thinly, right?
By the Chinese chopsticks.
Yeah, I'm actually just looking at the way you're actually, holding the chopsticks. It's very hard for us to use it.
Exactly. This is practice makes perfect.
You're gonna teach us, okay? You're gonna give me classes.
Of course.
Only when you're free, obviously. All right, for how long you're gonna marinate? Marinate and then fry?
Marinate it and then frying first. Make the oil is not too hot, around 70%.
Oh, all right.
70%. Then fry to well done.
Oh, it smells really good already. I think it's your favorite dish, right? You eat this a lot.
Our dynasty Chinese restaurant, the each dishes that is the best.
All right.
Because that is a selection, that is a collection dishes from all of China.
All right.
First we fry to well cooked, then take out. After that we have to fry again.
Okay, fry again?
We have to fry
Refry it.
again. Yeah,
All right.
fry, yes.
To get the extra crispiness?
Exactly.
All right. ये समझे 1 मिनट के लिए आई थिंक इन्होंने डाला है, उसको फ्लिप किया, हल्का सा गोल्डन ब्राउन हुआ, निकाल के आप वापस फिर इसको रीफ्राई करेंगे ताकि एक्स्ट्रा क्रिस्पी हो जाए.
Now we have to heat the oil.
All right. Now we have to make sure it's on high flame, right?
Yes.
Okay. You can change it here if you want. Yeah. Yes. All right, now you're gonna refry it.
Refry.
Oh, nice. That's why it's very crispy. We just tried once when we're making at home.
Once now, that is, if you need exactly crispy, you must refrying again.
All right. We must come to Dynasty.
Yes, it must come to our dynasty.
Yeah. And make sure Chef Young is here and get all the special, you know, do you actually have a special menu that you actually presented
we
to?
are actually it's special for the Chinese people and also VIP guests.
All right.
I will customize the menu of you. Start from the starters, then soup, then main courses, whatever.
Nice.
So now exactly crispy, then take out. Now yes, now it's very crispy.
Yeah, now it's very crispy. अच्छा वैसे इनकी ये टेक्निक है, आप देख सकते हैं कि पहले इन्होंने सिर्फ मैरिनेट किया बड़ी जल्दी और उसी के साथ इन्होंने क्या किया, पैंको में प्रॉपर तरीके बैटर भी ऐड किया.
Now the second stage is
all right. अच्छा अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप ये है
yes.
कि अब बताएंगे. आई थिंक इन्होंने जो वेजिटेबल्स भी सॉर्टेड यहाँ पर रखी हुई हैं उसको हल्का सा सॉटे करेंगे ताकि और ज़्यादा फ्लेवर इनहांस हो जाए.
Now we heat another pan.
Okay.
Then put some the butter.
Butter. Oh,
butter.
Nice. All right.
One teaspoon of chopped garlic.
Chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon, right? All right. We're gonna wait till it, you know, gives all the flavors, all the juices out.
Salted the flavor
All
out.
right.
Then mix this.
All right.
Vegetables.
Onions, bell peppers, दोनों किस्म के आप ले सकते हैं. And साथ में थोड़ी सी चिलीज भी हैं ताकि स्पाइस लेवल ऑब्वियसली वो ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा एनहांस हो जाए. And we're going to toss all these into it.
Then salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, yes.
The final touches.
One pinch, that will be enough.
Okay. बस एक ही पिंच जो है ना वो थोड़ा सॉल्ट एंड पेपर का ऐड किया हुआ है. इन्होंने पहले से सॉल्ट एंड पेपर को अच्छे तरीके से मिक्स करके रखा हुआ है.
No, it's done.
It's done?
It's done.
All right. बस ये खास एक टिप थी कि इन्होंने रीफ्राई किया है और इसको बैटर भी थोड़ा सा डाला था ताकि अच्छे तरीके से क्रिस्पी हो जाए. फिर इन्होंने ब्रेड क्रम्स में अच्छे तरीके से कोट करके उसको प्रेस किया है. ये जो छोटी छोटी टिप्स हैं ना लाजमी याद रखनी है. बस प्रॉपर तरीके से देख सकते हैं फुल क्रिस्पीनेस. एंड समझे इसको एक मिनट ही इन्होंने फ्राई किया है. पहले लो मीडियम पे किया था, फिर उसको बिल्कुल एंड में जैसे निकालने के बाद उसको जो है हाई पे कर दिया था.
Now we can put some coriander.
All right, coriander.
And the carrot flour as garnishing.
All right. To make it look more appetizing, right?
Yes.
Perfect. And there you have it. Chef Young's special prawns, right?
Salt and pepper prawns.
Salt and pepper prawns. Perfect.
Try it.
Definitely, we will try it. Now we're going to go on a little break. Chef, why not you take a break?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Today, this is the salt and pepper prawns.
All right.
Thank you
break
very much.
पे जैसे वापस आएंगे, we're going to start with another recipe. All right.
Salt and pepper prawns, अज्जा टाइगर प्रॉन्स साफ छिले 8 अदद, तेल तलने के लिए 2 लीटर, मैदा 10 ग्राम, पानी बैटर बनाने के लिए, ब्रेड क्रम्स 50 ग्राम, क्रैक सॉल्ट 3 ग्राम, मक्खन 5 ग्राम, हरी मिर्च चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम, पीली शिमला मिर्च चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम, प्याज चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम, लाल शिमला मिर्च चौकोर कटी 25 ग्राम, लहसुन चॉप 25 ग्राम, नमक मैरिनेशन के लिए, सफ़ेद मिर्च मैरिनेशन के लिए।
Alright, welcome back from the break. हमारे साथ हैं the head chef of Chinese Dynasty and समझें कि इन्होंने पहली बड़ी बेहतरीन सी डिश बना चुके हैं. It's basically salt and pepper prawns.
Exactly.
Assorted with amazing veggies, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so next step अब जो हमारा होगा जो दूसरी रेसिपी है वो let's see क्या बनता है. What are you making?
This one is there's a Sichuan chicken sizzler.
Alright.
Yes. So this chicken is a breast chicken and also combined with some vegetables. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the chicken into slices.
Alright. As you can see, proper तरीके से जो knife skills है ना, thinly slices of breast fillets.
Thin. Cut in thin slices.
Your knife has to be very sharp for it, right?
Exactly. This is traditional Chinese, the Chinese cutting knife.
All right. Three or four breast fillets?
Around 200 or 250 grams.
All right. 250 grams of chicken,
Yes.
thinly sliced, as you can see. पार्चे बना रहे हैं बिल्कुल पतले पतले, and बस उसको अच्छे तरीके से यहाँ पर I think marinate करेंगे. Sorted vegetables इन्होंने पहले से काट के रखी हुई हैं. And one more thing, as you can see कि छोटी छोटी जो चीज़ें ना हम वैसे इग्नोर कर देते हैं किचन में, जिनका चॉपिंग बोर्ड है, ठीक है, हर चीज़ का चॉपिंग बोर्ड अलग होता है. तो यहाँ पर इन्होंने अपना जो मीट को कट किया है वो येलो बोर्ड पे किया है. Yeah.
Yes.
People don't know that, right?
Exactly. You know, the chicken we have to prepare by the yellow board. And all the vegetables we have to prepare the green
Exactly.
board. Yes. Now the chicken cut it into slices already. Now we get marinated.
Okay.
Yes, by the chicken powder.
Chicken
A
powder?
little bit chicken powder.
Okay.
And then a little bit of white pepper. And a little bit of salt.
All right.
And 1 or 2 drops the dark soy sauce.
Dark soy sauce.
Dark soy
All
sauce.
right. Chicken powder, salt,
And white pepper
white pepper. And dark soy sauce.
soy sauce.
बस हल्का सा उन्होंने उसके अंदर मैरिनेट किया है.
Because marinate after that the chicken
All
becoming
right.
tender.
You want me to turn on the flame?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you. And the egg.
Okay. Whisked egg, right?
This egg.
And this is
This is one corn flour.
corn flour to make it a bit crispy, right?
No. It
No?
make tender.
Tender. Nice.
Yes.
Because usually we add it to make crispier, you know?
No, this one is for tender.
All right.
Because I covered the water in the
Okay.
chicken. Yes. Now we get started sauteed the
So it's oil.
yes, I did the oil.
All right. Just the regular oil.
Regular oil.
Okay.
I just sauteed the chicken.
Okay. बस हल्का से इसको सॉटे किया ऑयल के अंदर. Usually वैसे I'm so sure you use large woks, Chinese woks, right?
Yes, Chinese ear
So that you
woks.
can actually toss it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
also we can do it.
Alright. तो थोड़े से ऑयल के अंदर चिकन को हल्के से फ्राई कर रहे हैं. एंड मैरिनेशन की थी बहुत थोड़ी सी. 250 ग्राम्स ऑफ चिकन था. ब्रेस्ट फिलेट को थिनली स्लाइस किया हुआ है और उसके अंदर बस हल्की सी इन्होंने मैरिनेशन की है. चिकन पाउडर की, डार्क सोया सॉस की, वाइट पेपर की एंड सॉल्ट की. और थोड़ा सा कॉर्नफ्लावर जो है ना वो ऊपर से डस्ट की है हल्का सा, ताकि वो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट और मॉइस्ट बने. Alright. We're gonna fry it for like 2 to 3 minutes.
Yes.
All right.
But now only the cooked around 70% well cooked.
Oh, okay.
70%, not a.
Because this breast fillet is gonna cook very easily,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
All right. Yeah.
First, this one salted, then take out.
All right.
Then a little bit oil.
More oil in the same pan.
Yes. It's not necessary to wash.
Oh, okay. Because
One
usually we wash it and all the flavors just go out, right?
Exactly. Yes, 1 teaspoon of the chopped garlic, and also 2 or 3 pieces of the red chili.
Oh, little ones.
Yes, not too much. If you need an
Okay.
extra spice, you can put extra.
Obviously,
the red chili.
because us Pakistani people love spices, you know. So we're gonna add, I think, a little more.
This one is chili paste.
All right. So now we're
Chili
gonna add
paste.
chili paste.
This one chili bean paste.
All right.
Chili bean paste, yes. This one is soya bean paste.
Soybean paste. All right. 3 paste we are adding.
Then mix vegetable.
All right. So now we're gonna toss all the sauces and everything with the vegetables that he's actually proper तरीके से उन्होंने cut किया हुआ है. Chef, let's go take a break. All right. And then we're gonna come back and show the next step. All right.
Okay, good.
चले जाएं आप लोग छोटी सी ब्रेक लेकर आएँ अच्छे तरीके से जितनी भी सॉसेज हैं उसको अच्छे तरीके से हमने टॉस इन कर दिया वेजिटेबल्स के साथ ब्रेक से जैसे ही वापस आएंगे फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको बताते हैं
Sizzling chicken Szechuan style. Ajza chicken breast sliced 350 ग्राम. Chinese dry red chili 4 अदद. लहसुन chopped 1 खाने का चमचा. अदरक chopped 1 चाय का चमचा. Szechuan chili sauce 1 खाने का चमचा. चिकन पाउडर 1 खाने का चमचा. सफ़ेद मिर्च आधा चाय का चमचा. चीनी 1 खाने का चमचा. डार्क सोया सॉस 2 खाने के चमचे. कुकिंग ऑयल 50 मिलीलीटर. जुकीनी 50 ग्राम. हरी शिमला मिर्च 50 ग्राम. नमक मैरिनेशन के लिए. कॉर्नफ्लावर 1 खाने का चमचा. पानी 50 मिलीलीटर. प्याज रिंग्स 50 ग्राम.
Let's continue to prepare the Sichuan chicken sizzler.
All right. हमने वैसे 3 पेस्ट डाली थी. Can you repeat what you added here?
Yes, just now we added first we salted 1 teaspoon of the garlic,
Alright.
and 1 teaspoon of that chili paste, and 1 teaspoon of the soya bean paste, and 1 teaspoon of the soya bean paste as well.
All right. 3 पेस्ट ऐड की थी इसको अच्छे तरीके से जो भी आपके पास sorted vegetables हैं. You've added zucchini as well, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Now add 1 spoon of the water.
All right. पानी
Need
ऐड किया है.
more, because if you need extra gravy.
Yes,
then
definitely.
We can add 1.5 ladle of the water.
All right.
Then
समझे कि
Sugar.
little है 1.5 ऐड की है
sugar,
पानी.
1 teaspoon of sugar.
Okay.
The chicken powder, half teaspoon,
All right.
and the white pepper, a little bit. Then dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon. Then take a boiling. Then add cook the breast chicken.
All right. You want me to turn on the flame for the sizzler as well?
Yes.
So
now
that
we
it can
put
heat up, right?
Here, 1 piece of sizzler,
All right.
medium heat.
All right. All right. So is it necessary to make it with chicken?
Now we can make this Sichuan. This Sichuan sauce, we can make Sichuan chicken, Sichuan prawns, Sichuan beef as well.
All right.
Yes.
So like we can make it with anything, but
Yeah,
with the basic recipe.
Exactly.
All right.
This one is sauce, Sichuan sauce. Then chicken by the cornflower water.
ओके. कॉर्नफ्लावर वाटर जो कॉर्नफ्लावर स्लरी होता है उसको अच्छे तरीके से उन्होंने पहले बना के रखा हुआ है वो हल्का हल्का बस डाल दें इसके अंदर ताकि वो थोड़ा सा थिकनेस उसके अंदर आ जाए. Smells really nice.
Of the flame. Then add this one, the peppercorn oil. Peppercorn.
Peppercorn oil.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Just 1 or 2 drops.
All right.
Then this one heat ready. Then we can add the onions in it.
सिज़लर गरम कर लिया है, ऑब्वियसली सिज़लर में बनेगा, उसको पहले से अच्छे तरीके से आपने जो है ना सिज़ल कर लेना है। ऑयल
1 or 2 drops the oil.
All right, now we're just gonna wait for it to make it more, smoking hot.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly hot, because it's a sizzler.
Definitely, it's supposed to be very, when we add the sauce so that it could sizzle, right?
Yeah.
I think this is done though.
It's done. This Sichuan chicken is done.
Okay.
You can, have this dish without a sizzler or with sizzler.
All right, and we can actually have this with rice.
With rice, with noodles, or with the Pakistani, the biryani chicken, something.
Biryani.
Yes.
Do you like biryani?
Exactly. I love it.
All right.
Now exactly get the exact heat.
Oh. बड़ा बेहतरीन सा जो है ना इसकी खुशबू बड़ी अच्छी आ रही है और सारी सॉसेस जो इन्होंने ऐड किया और एक जो आई थिंक इनका जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है पेपरकॉर्न ऑयल।
Peppercorn oil.
ये न्यू चीज़ है हमने देखी है, बहुत थोड़े से ड्रॉप्स ऐड किए हैं आई थिंक फॉर एक्स्ट्रा एडेड फ्लेवर।
Yeah. Now the Sichuan chicken sizzler. It's done.
Perfectly done. Amazing. All right, and thank you so much, Chef Young,
Most welcome.
for giving out time to us and for making all these amazing recipes. Can you give a little recap as well that how that you made both the recipes?
Of course. First, for example, this salt and pepper prawns. These prawns, first stage, we marinated by the salt, white pepper, and the chicken powder. After that, second stage, we have dusted the breadcrumb. Third stage, then to crispy fried. Then fourth stage, then salted the vegetables and by the salt and the pepper. This is the dish.
All right.
The Sichuan chicken sizzler. This chicken, especially the sauce made out of the salted the chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of the chili bean paste, and chili paste, and the soybean paste. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar and the chicken powder. Then 1 1.5 liter of the water. Then make this Sichuan sauce.
And we just have to spread some onions as well.
Yes.
And the main ingredient I would say would be for the extra flavor, right?
Next stage, if you need the flavor come up, you have to chop 1 or 2 chops of the peppercorn oil.
All right, thank you, chef, for making these wonderful dishes. And बस जैसे ब्रेक से वापस आएंगे, स्टेशन भी क्लियर अप कर लेते हैं और साथ में शेफ के साथ जो है ना हम दोनों डिशेस को ट्राई भी करते हैं।
Sizzling chicken Szechuan style. Ajza chicken breast sliced 350 ग्राम, Chinese dry red chili 4 अदद, लहसुन चॉप्ड 1 खाने का चमचा, अदरक चॉप 1 चाय का चमचा, शेजवान चिली सॉस 1 खाने का चमचा, चिकन पाउडर 1 खाने का चमचा, सफ़ेद मिर्च आधा चाय का चमचा, चीनी 1 खाने का चमचा, डार्क सोया सॉस 2 खाने के चमचे, कुकिंग ऑयल 50 मिलीलीटर, जुकीनी 50 ग्राम, हरी शिमला मिर्च 50 ग्राम, नमक मैरिनेशन के लिए, कॉर्नफ्लावर 1 खाने का चमचा, पानी 50 मिलीलीटर, प्याज रिंग्स 50 ग्राम।
Alright, we are here at Awari and basically हम लोग इधर बड़े बेहतरीन से Chinese culture को भी represent कर रहे हैं and as you can see both of the recipes are done with the talented executive chef Young जिन्होंने अभी दोनों you've actually made salt and pepper prawns with
the Sichuan chicken sizzler.
Alright, and it looks really good and मैं इनसे वैसे सीखूंगा कि किस तरीके से अभी chopsticks use करते हैं. So let's start. Alright.
Yes. Let's take out the chopstick. Okay. Actually, this chopstick is a typical commonly used in China and Asian countries. First, break the chopstick.
I just did.
Then grab it.
All right.
Then you just move your thumb and the finger.
All right.
Finger move it. But this finger just
Like this?
steady. Yes. Just move
All right.
by thumb and this. This
The
finger.
index finger.
Yeah, index finger.
All right.
Just move it. Then try to take it.
All right. Let's see. This is how you do it, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right. With the chicken or the other.
You try this.
All right.
Salt and pepper prawns. That is easier for you to
All
get
right.
it. Yes, perfect. Yes.
बेहतरीन हो गया ये तो. चलो, let me try. This is actually really good. वाकई आप लोगों को लाजमी ट्राई करना चाहिए ये. एंड आप लोग आए अवारी एंड समझे कि बेहतरीन आप लोगों ने लाजमी जो है ना शेफ यंग से भी मिलना है. एंड आई एम सो श्योर यू हैव योर सीक्रेट मेन्यू एज वेल. ऑलराइट, लेट मी ट्राई दिस एज वेल.
You want Sichuan chicken?
Yeah, with a chopstick obviously.
Yes, the practice makes perfect. Take time.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take classes from you. All
Of
right.
course.
All right. This is really good. A bit spicy, a bit on
A
the
bit
palate.
spicy. Actually, today I prepared that as medium spices.
All right.
Yes.
जब actually added, I remember 3 paste इन्होंने add की थी, proper तरीके से mix किया था, और very less marination as well. With chicken powder,
Salt, and white pepper.
white pepper as well, and उसी के साथ बस इसका थोड़ा सा egg as well.
Yes, master stage with a little bit egg and the corn flour.
Corn flour as well, and one more thing, that peppercorn oil.
Peppercorn oil.
पेपरकॉर्न ऑयल ऐड किया
Yes.
था, जिसकी वजह से और ज़्यादा फ्लेवर जो है ना इन्हांस हो गया. लाजमी आप लोगों ने अवारी आना है एंड चाइनीज़ डायनेस्टी में लाजमी शेफ़ यंग से आके मिलें और इनसे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी पूछें. लाजमी आके कि किस तरीके से उन्होंने बड़ी बेहतरीन सी इधर 2 डिशेस हमारे सामने बनाई हैं, बट आई एम सो श्योर देयर प्लेंटी ऑफ अदर रेसिपीज एज वेल दैट आर ऑन द मेन्यू.
Yes.
ताकि लोग आके आई जस्ट वांट यू टू गिव अ लिटिल मैसेज टू द व्यूअर्स.
I'm as the head Chinese chef from the dynasty Avari Towers. I have many years of experience in China and abroad, and also I have been working at the best Western hotels and also 5-star hotels in Sri Lanka at the Cinnamon Grand. So I'm very specialized in the making Sichuan, Cantonese, and the Jiangsu and Shanghai cuisines. And also we are looking forward to your welcome to try the mouth-watering the dishes from our Dynasty restaurant. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chef Young, for joining us and giving us time in your busy schedule. And inshallah आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली एपिसोड में. And let's see Chef Young क्या न्यू रेसिपीज हमें सिखाते हैं टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स के साथ. ना बहुत ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.